Good morning, nandito tayo sa The Farm. Kasama tayo sa mag-conduct ng training para sa CHED, TESDA, ano pa yung mga kuha na yun. Good morning, papunta tayo sa aviary. Doon yung ating activity. So ito po ang The Farm at Carpenter Hill. So nandito yung steakhouse doon banda. So aviary dito banda. May KTV lunch din, may boardroom. Okay. Okay, good morning. Wala pang tao? Wala pang tao? Morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Supervisor, Mr. Rolimi Candinilla. And of course, Education Supervisor to Mr. Maruvi S. Alabay. Okay, so welcome, CHED participants. Next, from TESDA, of course, there would be 5 slots, but there are 3 sent to us.
Mr. Romel Patrick Itang. Let's give him a round of applause.
Iba mukha ano? Iba mukha.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Please, don't mind the picture, no? Si RD Mactahaman ulan yan. No problem po. My highest courtesies to your respective principals, no? RD Escobarte and ARD Cat. Also to our CHED na colleagues, RD Rodi Garcia. May kilala ako dito sa kasama namin sa youth at saka sa volunteerism, Dr. Marvin Alagbay, sir. Sa TESDA naman po, RD Remedios Demonio and mga kasamahan niya. Gusto ko rin matiin ng iba, no? Just be
Invitation, pero sa atin, minsan hindi na natin, or sa amin, no, hindi na namin navigate doon sa admin support. Multitasking, yung technical.
Kasi as emphasized kanina, we are or tayo yung brain and the backbone of the team. So
Bring me into golden sunlight. If I'm going with you, I know we'll get to the other side. Sinking in, I know this feels right. Catching a breeze, love moving through me like a wildfire, like a wildfire. Never the same. Never you calling my name, I'm taking my sweet time. Hey, whatever the plan. golden sunlight.
Alam mo yung ano na daw, instruction agad-agad, si ARD. Ay, wala ganit man si choice, ma'am. Thank you, ARD. So,
As you all just want to put in the resolution yung mga importante lang, baka gusto niyong maglagay ng napakaraming essays doon sa resolution. As much as possible, we
Included in the e-agenda folder. Kaya importante yung e-agenda folder. Kaya tinuruan kayo.
Po yung key result area, for example, the conduct of quarterly RSDC 12 meetings. So yung mga schedule natin for the entire year. So we also have here
In Soxar region, we have in fact 5 divisions out of 8. So grabe. So 3 na lang naiwan na okay, then the rest may
Alright, the same certificate is awarded to Ma'am Myra L. Saho. Right, the same certificate is awarded to Ma'am Melissa Gabrielle H. Vargas. Next, we have Sir Apollo Y. Manlawe. The same certificate is awarded to Angelique B. Belhot. Lastly, the same certificate of recognition is awarded to Sir Alberto U. Pasodas Jr. Also, we will be awarding certificate of participation to our participants. So let's start with our participants.
of Education, at the same time to the DepDep, no, for coming up with the success of this activity. Alam naman po natin that we are all busy in this